everyone, I am back with day 17 of the Southern Skeins Holiday, Vintage Lane Holiday Advent. And here's day 17. Let us go ahead and take a look. Look at that. That's a beautiful color. I like that. That is really very pretty. That's going to go good with the other colors. So let's lay that down. And I'm trying. Picking it up with all these other ones. And there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. We had a lot of yellows and pinks, and adding some of these other colors in here is really making a difference in this Advent. So I'm loving that. So let us stay tuned until tomorrow, and we'll open day 18. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.